if I told you that I'd love you? Would you tell me that you'd love me back? What if I told you that I'd miss you? Would you tell me that you'd miss me back? What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me too? What if I told you that I love you? When you told me that you love me, was I a fool to believe in you? When you told me I was special, was I a dumb for a trust in you? When you told me that you want me, did you really want me? Or was this all a joke to you? I don't wanna say I miss you if I don't know that you miss me back. I don't wanna say the wrong thing. If I do, there's no coming back. What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me? If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I love you? I wish I told you that I loved you. Now it's too late, you have someone new. I hope you love you like I do. Do you love the way it's treating you? What if I told you that I love you? Would you tell me that you love me back? If I told you that I miss you, would you tell me that you miss me back? If I told you that I need you, would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me too? What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I
forever and ever, then we would. Long as the gods will let us keep this loving going till we're all loved out, till we're riding on the edge of new millennia. Cause we don't want it to ever end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to ever end. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the best time. Kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the best time. Kiss me like you're still mine. So hard to walk our separate ways when all we ever said was how we make it someday. Every time I get up to leave, all these consequences come and linger on me. Cause we don't want it to be the end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to be the end.
could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to win your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. For days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me